Global EMS and ODM Market Report, Forecast to 2025. The global EMS and ODM market are expected to register an 8.62% CAGR, witnessing substantial growth during the forecast period. The market was valued at United States dollars $620.02 billion in 2018. It is expected to reach United States dollars $1,106.3 billion by 2025. By product segment, the EMS subsegment considered for the more substantial market share in 2018, with a market value of United States dollars $435.65 billion. Regionally, Asia-Pacific was accounted for the most comprehensive market value of United States dollars $272.39 billion in 2018. The market is expected to register a CAGR of 10.33% during the projection period. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.